Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you're watching Encyclohub. In this video, we are discussing question 6A. Before starting this, I want to share something. Encyclohub provides PDF and handwritten assignments. If you need this, contact us on today. Yeah, this number is given is here, which is 90093682238. This is our WhatsApp number. You can contact us anytime. So here the question number 6A. Visit any outdoor setting and paint in the impressionist style on an A3 size drawing sheet of paper. Letter, write an experiential note about your practical experience based on how you have used the colors. Submit a picture of your artwork and the experiential note. So we have prepared according to this project, and if you need all the answers of this and other subjects too, so you can contact us anytime. We are here for support and help for you. You can contact anytime. We are here. Thank you so much for watching.